Alright guys, I'm pretty pumped. I just got my package from Jamie's Tarantulas in, so pretty pumped to get into this. This is my first time ordering from them, so actually looks like they package it really super nice. Looks like it's just a little thing on just in case you have a dead on arrival. Tarantula care. That's pretty cool. They put that in there. So I ended up having to get one enclosure. Actually, that's pretty cool enclosure too. That's their arboreal enclosure. Looks really nice. I had some ordered, but they didn't come in time, so I had to go ahead and get one from here. Like they put a moist paper towel in. This is my Brachypelma bohemi, I think that's how you say that. I'm gonna set this to the side. This should be my Amelia. Yep, this is my Brachypelma Amelia. Looks like they pack really nice. This should be my green bottle blue and Carabiner Versa color, I think. Let's see. Just paper towel off of them. Well, can't find the end. There we go. Yep, this is my Versa color. And this is my GBB. Alright. Put this in there. Yeah, I really like how they pack. That's super nice. And slide these guys over here. I gotta situate this camera. I got it kind of on a little jack leg system here. Focus on those a little bit anyway. Okay, that's pretty good. Catch cup, which I doubt I'll need it, but I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and do these Brachypelmas first since I have them set up. Let's see which one we have here. I gotta decide what enclosure I want to put which one in. Let's see. Do I want the let's see. Should this, they look pretty similar. I kind of want to put the where do I want to put which one? I might put the Bohemi here. I think I would. He would look cool in here. I think I'm saying that right. I'm not really sure. Okay. Let's see here. I'm gonna scooch this right there, so it's kind of out of the way. Okay. Can't wait to see this one. Actually, I'm gonna put this here for now so that you can see the unpacking. Oh. Trying to be easy. is. Okay. So I can take it this way. Alright. That one up. Not sure if you can see them down in there. Looks fantastic. I figured he would. I'm gonna angle this back up and try to get a little shot of him going in his new enclosure. Alright. Let's just get up out of here. And I should have grabbed my paintbrush. These might work. Alright. I'm not going to stress him out too bad because he's had the trip. So what I'm going to do is sit that right there for now. He might go on off. Let's see. He might. Yeah, he might walk off there. Go on, buddy. I'll leave him be. Move to the next one. Alright. I'll get my paintbrush probably before the video is actually over. And, we'll do this one. This is the Amelia. I'm really excited to see this one too. Let's see here. So far, I'm really happy with how Jamie's Tarantula does everything, and I'll definitely be for sure ordering again. Not that I have a problem with any other place I've ordered from, but oh, this little guy's just coming on out there. Look at him. Oh yeah, oh, he's just gonna go right on in, so I'm gonna let him. Go on there, buddy. Go on in there. Go on in there. He just wants to explore. Check him out. Oh, he's lively as all get out. Let's see. Can you get a look at this little dude? He looks awesome. Look at that. Too cool. Wow. Great. Looks awesome. Let's see if I can slide this over here. Because he's ready to go on in. Come on in there, buddy. Oh, no, he's going to explore. Check him out. Wow. He's just awesome, guys. He's exploring me. I really like this one. He don't want to get off of me. Check him out. Wow. He looks so cool. This is great. Really glad I got this one. Alright, buddy. Time to check out your new home. Alright, look at that. Oh man, he looks so good. Look at that. Right. Actually, this is already pushing 10 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and go ahead and end this video, and then I'll do the other 2 rehousings on the next one. And look at this guy, he's out too. He decided to come off of this. Let's see if I can get a shot of him back there. Yeah, awesome. I'm really happy. Well, I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to get set up for the next 2, and I'll do a part 2.